Everybody fucking jump!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get you guys a little bit of a label. Well, first we'll get you some box action in case you haven't seen this box. I apologize, my phone's gone off in the background. There's some type of little elephant print material on here on the side of the box. It kind of has like a textured feel. I hope you guys can make that out. Get you guys this label action so you get this show on the road. Jordan brand has stopped putting price tags on the boxes. I was trying to see that each store gets to choose what they want to sell these shoes for. Some of the shoes went for $200, some went for $210. So I let me read this shoe. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 5 Retro Silver Green Bean Flint Gray. Let's get it going, guys. The shoe isn't a bad shoe. As anybody who's seen the other green beans before knows, it's all 3M over the entire shoe. All 3M, green shark teeth, white bottom on the gray background. All right, let me get you guys a little bit of back of the shoe action. I apologize. Green Jumpman on the back of the shoe. Everything the same. Somebody really wants me. Get this light on so we get this going. Like I said, 3M materials are great. This one doesn't really bend up like the other one. So hopefully you guys can see the whole shoe glowing now. Outstanding. This is why the green beans are one of my favorite at nighttime. They just, everyone must see your feet. If you go to a club or anything type setting, you can't be missed. But you got some of this upper in case you can make it out. The little green sock liner, nothing in the insole, green Jumpman. You know what you guys think about this shoe? Did you guys go and get it today? Are you going to get a pair? I don't know if these are reselling for much. Couldn't find my size, but I got a pair for staring in the car. I'm going to go back out and look, see if I can find a pair for wearing for myself. Give you guys a look at the shoe. It's going to look like when it's on your foot. You know what shoes you guys are buying? You know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel? Oh, that's a beautiful shoe. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!